So in this video, we will see about it's a relationship. Okay. So what is the use of is a relationship? So is a relationship we can say it is also known as inheritance concept. Okay. And by using extends keywords, we can implement is a relationship. Okay. And the main advantage of is a relationship is, or we can say inheritance is code reusability. Okay, like suppose if we have some different class, in the sense I can say class, I can say A. Okay, and inside class A some methods has been written, like 200 methods has been written inside this. And then after class B, I can say class B also having some, let's take 250 methods is written inside this. Okay, so if I wanted to, like inside this method, inside 200 and 250 methods, out of them 150 methods is common inside this. Okay, both inside both class 150 methods are common. So what we will do is we will make one class, one class is a parent. So we will make class parent. Okay, and inside this we will write all these common methods, 150 method inside this, and we will extend. So this is what we, if we are doing code reusability, how we will do. So we can do like this: class, I can say A extends class B, means whatever it is parent, so parent. So like this we can write, and we will write inside this whatever the 50 methods remaining. So whatever the 50 methods it is remaining here, so we will define this. So all 150 methods come inside this, and this 50 separate method will be here. So all 200 methods is covered inside this class A, I can say. Similarly, in class B also we can extend class B extends, I can say, and parent. Okay, like this way we can write, and we will write inside this 100 method is remaining. So whatever the 250 methods, it will come by default inside this. Okay, sorry, 150 method it will come inside this, and total 250 methods come inside this. So this is nothing but, we can say it's a code reusability. Okay, and code redundancy has been reduced inside this. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, let me delete this. We will see in Eclipse also with the practical. Okay, let's delete this, and delete this also. Okay, so that's fine. We understand about inheritance. So it is also known as is a relationship as a inheritance. We use extends keyword to implement inheritance, I can say, and code reusability we have already seen. Okay, so let's suppose I am creating one class here inside inheritance concept. Okay, this is the package. I am just making one class inside this. Okay, I am just taking class as a test. Okay, and I am taking main method also. Let's take this. Okay, now what will I do is, let's delete this. Now what will I do? I will take one class that is related to, I can say, some other different class we need to take. One another class I need to take inside this. I will take one another class inside this, named as parent. Parent I am taking. Okay, let's take here also, no issue. Okay, so this is the parent class. Fine. Now what we will do is, inside test.java we will do all those operations. Okay, and I will try to extend this class with the parent, I can say. Okay, so let's, like suppose I am just extending extends with the help of extends keyword. I will extend parent class. Okay, I have extended this. So inside this parent class like suppose some methods has been written anyway. This main method is also available in parent and inside test also. So this is not, I can say, like this is a method hiding. We will discuss about this while we discuss about polymorphism. Okay, this is not, I can say, overriding. Okay, this is not overriding. So inside this we will take one another method, like I can say public. I'm taking public. Okay, void I'm taking, and m1 I'm taking. Okay, inside this I'm taking like this. Okay, and inside this also I'll take one another method, that is, let me take mp1 pm1. Okay, so I'm taking pm1 inside this. Let's copy this, means parent m1 method, and I'll take one another method, that is pm2. So okay, inside this I will just try to print sys out. Okay, and we will try to print this. So I'm inside, I can say, inside pm1. Okay, the same thing I'll try to print here, sys out sys out. I'll try to print inside pm2. I'm writing like this, and test class is extending parent class. So by default, all these two methods are available inside this test class. Okay, so let's try to print this, like it is able to access or not. First, we will try to see. So how we can see? First, we need to create object for this. Okay, so we will make an object for parent b equal to new parent. Okay, parent parent. I'm taking with the help of new keyword. We are just making it. Okay, see, now I will try to access the method what is available inside the parent.java. Okay, so let's see this here. So pm1 and pm2 is available, so it should show here, right? P dot pm1, see, it is both are showing here. So I will try to access this. Yes, I can able to access, and I can also able to access p dot pm2. I will try to access this method also. Let's save this, and we will try to run this test class. Okay, so let's run this test class. See, it is saying that inside pm1 pm2, but inside test class we have not written for pm1 pm2 method, but it is still printing. How? With the help of extends keywords we are extending the parent class methods, I can say. uh, okay, what is available inside this, we are simply extending this here. Okay, now we will see one another example. Okay, so parent class can hold parent class object, that's fine. Now I'll try to make child class object test t. So test is a child class of parent, I can say, equal to new test. Okay, so this is we are considering as a child class. Test is a child class, and I will try to write here some methods inside this. So let me write it here, public, and I will make a void. Okay, I don't want to return anything. So inside child class, this is cm1. I'm taking one method. Okay, or you can take tm1 or also whatever. It's just a method name, so nothing to worry about it. Sys out. I'm taking inside sys out. I'm just printing here inside inside. Uh, I can say child with m1 inside child m1. I'm taking m1. Okay, the same thing I am taking for here one another method. If I wanted to take, we can take also, it's nothing to worry. Okay, so let's save this program, and let's try to execute this. Like I wanted to print cm1 method. Okay, so see, it is coming here. Okay, so let's try to print this. It will print inside child m1 also, including these two. See, it is printing this method also. So this is how we can use inheritance concept in Java. Okay, so now I will try to, so see, as of now we have seen parent uh, class can hold parent class object, child class can hold child class object, that's fine. One another thing I wanted to explore here, that is I wanted to hold with the help of parent class object, uh, with the help of parent class object I will try to hold child class object. Okay, child class with the help of parent class reference. So I will make parent p1 equal to new child. I am taking, but child is not here. Test. So I'll take test. Okay, and see it is able to do that. Okay. So with the so is it possible if I am, so see basically what we are doing here, we are simply trying to create a reference instance of p1 and we are creating object of new test. Okay, so can parent class hold child class object? Yes, parent class can hold child class object. Okay, and it is holding with the help of p1 here. So can, okay, so like we can p1 will print whatever the methods available inside parent class. Is it possible? Let's try to do this. P1 dot. Okay. So if I will try to print this, see PM1, if I will try to print this, okay, and let me comment this line, control shift this, and let me comment this line also. So let's comment this. I'll try to save this. Okay. P1 dot PM1. I am trying to get that method. Okay. So let's try to get this. See, it is saying that okay, yeah, it is possible to get this method inside this. Okay. Now what will I do is, so inside parent we can call this. So parent class, it is holding child class object. That's fine. It is possible, and we can call parent class methods also. That's fine. So is it possible to call child class method also? Let's try to do this. So I will write like p1 dot, I will, the method name is cm1. So is it possible? No, it is not possible inside this. Okay, it is not possible inside this. So we can't do this, right? It is giving error, right? So what it is saying? It is saying create method cm1 like this way. So basically it is an incompatible types we can say. Okay, so it is asking to typecast. Okay, so basically it is not allowed in Java. We can't do that. Okay, that's fine. Let's try to understand one more scenario. Okay, let me write it here, cm1. Okay, and I will try to do this like not possible, not possible. Okay, fine. So I am writing like this, that's fine. So parent class, with the help of this we can only call parent class methods but not child class method. Okay, now we will see, can child class, can child class means test is our child class, test t1 equal to new test. Okay, I am just trying to take this. Okay, no, wait, this is already we have seen this scenario. So this time our child class object will hold parent class. Is it possible? No, this is also not possible. Let's take this parent, and like this way we will try to write. See, it is saying that this is also not possible. Okay, see, it is saying here incompatible types we can consider this, and this is also not possible inside the Java. Okay, so this is also not possible. Possible. This is also not possible. So as of now, what we have seen here, like with the help of, we have created parent class and test class as I can say child class, and our child class is extending parent class. Parent, inside parent class we have given two methods like pm1, pm2, and we are trying to print something. We have created object for parent class and we have tried to create object for child class. Okay, and all these two methods we can call, and whatever the methods available inside this we are also able to call this. Okay, okay, one more scenario I just wanted to check. So with the help of p dot pm1 pm2 we can call this, and it is also possible. Okay, let's try to run this, and it will say that, okay, inside pm1 it will print. See, it is printing inside pm1, and this one is printing inside pm1, so that's why it is coming two times. Okay, so with the help of child class object, means child class object, I can say we can call parent class methods, but with the help of, means if we are trying to call with the help of parent class reference and it is holding child class, but we cannot call child class object. Okay, this is not possible. And what we have seen one another scenario, that is child class object can't hold parent class. Okay, whatever the child class reference here, it cannot hold parent class object. This is also not possible, we have seen here. Okay, that's fine. So let's try to so what we have seen, so we have seen, I can say, also known as is a relationship by using extend keyword, and code reusability we have already seen and understood. So this is the example, I can say. And inside this, whatever the parent has by default available to the child, but whatever the child has by default not available to the parent. So see, whatever we have discussed, it is written here. That's fine. Okay, then yeah, that's fine. Okay, thank you so much.